And oh my god, guys, look what's happening here. The free gems are here. I'm gonna put my fingers above so you can see this is for real. Hello guys, free gems renovation day game. This is what we're talking about today, and this is not any trick because these resources were bought by some nice sponsors and they decided to offer a method so we can get these resources for free. So I'm starting by disabling my power saving mode. I'm just gonna enable and disable it to be sure. I want to show you guys how's the situation before trying this method. So I'm gonna open my game now, and as you can see, this is it. Not too great, but we're gonna change that as soon as possible. Firstly, I'm opening my browser and go to ontwig.com. Make sure it's the .com one. Here I'm searching for the Renovation Day game to find it easier. Then I'm selecting Android, and of course I'm going with the biggest number of gems option. As I've already mentioned, guys, these resources are given by some sponsors and they actually require you to do an additional step in order to receive them. Don't worry about it. This is very easy, and you also have a small tutorial there to help you. Alright, guys, let's go back and check the game now. And oh my god, guys, look what's happening here. The free gems are here. I'm gonna put my fingers above so you can see this is for real. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you also enjoy this method, and don't forget to leave a like, maybe even a subscribe if you wish. Have a nice day.